I'll show you how big my Hisbiscus. This is a mini inch tape I have. So it is from here to there. This is about 8.5 inches. I think it is same because it is circular. See how big? Look at my Hisbiscus. Look at the buds, guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everywhere. Just in a stem, maybe 30, 40. See this one? What happened? Morning time, it's all closed up. So I couldn't take a video, but look. And the other thing is, it doesn't bloom one at a time, the entire flowers, So look at that. How beautiful it is. Like it is a blood red color. Look here. Yeah, 8.5. And look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is gonna bloom soon. Tomorrow, by tomorrow. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Salt. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right now I have 10 flowers, but I have 200 buds to show up. But the thing, it doesn't flower right away. Look at that. I didn't even water it because it rained. And look at the other flowering plant. I think there is a name for that. I'm not sure, but this is a beautiful one. Actually, we had this is pink. I had the same red blood color. It died, so I'm trying to get one soon. But hopefully, let me see. Look here. Look, guys. What color you like? You like pink? They have even in yellow, pink, red, and red. Red, pink, yellow, I think. And white, I think. So, but I like pink and red. What's that? Cherry red, cherry pink. We had a lot of actually flowering plants, but we removed it. We had all Christmas trees, like evergreen tree. That also, my husband told them to remove it. So then later on we made this one, man-made. The small garden like. So my sunroom, look, everywhere green.